In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I turned my life around in Dubai. Guys, I went from working a 9-to-5 job back in the UK, right, working for literally £2 a month, working 40 hours a week, waking up early for my boss, doing all the work that I had to do, and literally living a life where I was completely broke, had no money, and struggling at the end of each month, right? To now living in Dubai, having financial freedom, don't have to listen to anyone else. I listen to myself. I'm my own boss, right? And I make well over 6 figures a year. Life has completely changed in literally less than a couple of years, right? And in today's video, I'm going to talk about exactly how I changed my life, how I'm in the position I am today, and how you guys can do the exact same thing, right? Because there's this big misconception that to make money online, to become successful, to become rich is extremely difficult. But I'm telling you guys, this is not the case. As I said, I am no one special. I was someone that was just random in the UK, working a 9-to-5 job, not being able to make enough, struggling to survive, living in a country I didn't like, right? Paying 40% on tax or whatever it was. And to now living in Dubai, making tax-free income, making well over 6 figures a year. Like, I am no one special to be doing this, right? The only difference between me and someone normal is that I decide to take action and they're not taking action, right? People are in the same spot in their life because they are scared to take action, they are scared to change their life, and they are scared to, be in a position where they can literally change their life. Like, guys, I can't explain this enough. People don't want to become successful. People say they do, but then you ask them, what are they doing to actually become successful? Because the truth is, right, most people say they want to be successful, but they like the idea of being successful. They don't like the idea of putting in the work. They don't like the idea of taking risk. They don't like the idea of, putting in the effort required to become successful. People just want to be rich. People just want to be successful without putting in the work, without trying, right? But this is not how life works. And look, I've worked extremely hard to be in the position I am today. I've worked day and night. I've put in so many hours. Even when I was working a 9-to-5 job, I used to literally work on my online business alongside my 9-to-5 job. I even remember those times. It was so difficult. It was so hard, going to work, doing all the stuff that I was doing and coming home and working on my business and having like 2-3 hours sleep across the weekend. Like, it was very, very difficult, right? But why do I get that benefit, right? And then someone else who wants to just become rich puts in no effort and then becomes rich. Like, the universe is extremely fair. It doesn't just work like that, right? But guys, the only reason I was able to turn my life around and most people won't is because they don't take the action required. They don't try. Furthermore, they give up before they even try, right? So for example, if they want to become successful, they sit there. They know what they need to do to become successful. But what they do is become comfortable, play video games, watch Netflix, go to the 9-to-5 job the next day, right? They know they're not going to get rich in their 9-to-5 job. These people also play the lottery and they think they're going to randomly win the lottery as well, right? Which is, I don't even want to get into it. But the point I'm trying to make is, you think working your 9-to-5 job is going to make you rich? You think doing nothing and just watching Netflix and wasting time and playing video games is going to make you rich? Like, come on, let's be real, right? You want to become successful, you want to become rich, but all you're doing is the opposite of what you actually want. Guys, it's mind-boggling to me, right? And especially in today's day and age, it is so easy to make money. It is so easy to get rich. You've got AI, you've got mentors, right? You've got the internet. Like, the internet has made the most millionaires ever. You guys can literally just open up a laptop, press a few buttons and start making money. It's literally as simple as that. Now guys, the reason I'm in the position I am today is because I started something called the One Skill Consulting business model, right? Now, the One Skill Consulting business model is essentially where you sell one of your skills to high ticket clients. Now, if you guys are interested in starting this business, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But the One Skill Consulting business model is something that you guys should be looking at, because firstly, everyone's got a skill, right? It doesn't matter where you are, where you're from, what you do, how old you are, you've got a skill. Everyone's got a skill, right? Now, you just need to package that skill into an offer and sell it to high ticket clients. And it's literally so simple, right? Now guys, I've turned my life around by using this business model. When I first moved to Dubai, I applied for jobs and I got rejected. Funny enough, I've got a degree, right? Which obviously I talk a lot about university being a scam. I only did university for my parents, but I had a degree. I came to Dubai trying to apply for jobs, thinking this is the way for me to survive. No, I wasn't able to get any jobs. was very difficult. I remember I applied for such low level roles just to survive, right? Because my thinking was, if I can just get the visa and stay here, I can work on my online business and then I won't need to do that job anymore. But I was applying for really low level jobs to the point where I remember this as well. This was quite vividly 2 years ago when I first came and I applied for this job, and I was in a group, right, between people that were just straight from India or straight from Pakistan, and I was the only British one there, right? And I felt really uncomfortable. I felt really awkward. The guy was asking me why I didn't bring my CV. Obviously, I don't know how things work here. I didn't bring my CV. He talked down on everyone. You know, he thought he was above everyone. And it's so funny because the company he works for, I make more than that company, I'm pretty sure. It's so crazy, right, that I went through all of these things in my life to get to where I am today. But at the time, I had no idea, right? At the time, I thought, you know, why I didn't get that job, blah, blah, blah. But obviously, God had a better plan for me. But the point I'm trying to make, guys, right, is that I went from that. I've gone through, even once I was trying to move here, I've went through so many hurdles, so many difficult situations. There were times where I was living on £50 a month with me and my wife, you know, which is not easy when I first came, because like we literally had no money and now we were trying to find a way to survive. We didn't have a job at the time either, and we were trying many ways to get a job, and that just wasn't happening. I focused on my online business at the time, but I was only making around £500 to £1,000 a month, right? And majority would either go on rent, would go on food, etc. So we barely had enough money to even survive, right? Then I was doing YouTube full time, right? And YouTube full time was decent to a certain extent, but it just felt like another 9-to-5 job, because rather than having one boss, I now had several bosses, right? Which were in the form of sponsors. So I was like, nah, I'm not going to do that anymore. I took another big risk while I was doing that. So imagine that was the only income that I had, and I cut that income to start this business that I did now, right? And in my first month of doing this business, I made 10 grand. And the reason I was able to do that was because I hired a mentor. Guys, one of the best things you could do is hire a mentor. Hiring a mentor single-handedly changed my life, because I did not know how to position my skill. I did not know how to package it. I did not know how to sell it, right? I hired a mentor. He told me all the information I needed, and I started making money. From my first month, I made 10 grand, right? Which just shows what's possible. So that's why I always bang on about hiring a mentor. Now, guys, I myself am a mentor, right? I have my own coaching business. I work with people on a one-to-one basis and scale them to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model. Now, if you guys are interested and you do want to start this online business, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, I turned my life around because I took action, because I didn't quit, and because I hired a mentor. A lot of you guys don't even do one of those things. A lot of you guys don't even start. A lot of you guys will definitely not hire a mentor because you're scared of taking that risk and you give up, right? There's so many people I've spoken to who've tried stuff, right? And yeah, like, congratulations on actually trying, but then you're giving up. So what's the point? Like, I always make this argument, right? You cannot lose if you do not give up. You cannot lose if you don't give up, right? So this is why I was like, you know, even in my tough periods, I am not going to give up. I'm going to work hard. I'm going to keep doing what I have to do, and I will become successful. And yeah, we're now, what, 2 years in of me living here in Dubai, and I now make well over 6 figures a year. You know, I make more than my previous managers. It's crazy. Life has completely changed, and I make money tax-free as well. Like, I now live in my favorite city in the world, which is Dubai. You know, I have financial freedom. I get to wake up when I want. I get to live how I want. I am not told by anyone what to do. I do whatever it is that I want to do. Life has completely changed, right? And you guys can live the exact same life. You guys can turn your life around, all by taking action, all by hiring a mentor, all by not giving up. Honestly, guys, you need to start an online business. Out of all the things that I've done in my life, the online business is one of the best things I've ever did, because without that, I would not be in the position I am today. Now, again, if you guys are interested and you do want to start an online business that can genuinely change your life and can scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. Look, let's jump on a call and let me see exactly how I can actually help you. And if you guys want more details on how this business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.